If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you, or some other lie to boost your ego up. So you come here running, put your head in all the wrong directions and please me, like when we were together, and you said you never leave. It's real until we realize our love is just a daydream. It's real until we realize.
Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Londontay coming to you today with another video, girl. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I did 10 stitch braids on natural hair. Okay, this is my neighbor. Okay, she wanted to get slayed. She said, girl, I think you be doing hair. I want to get slayed. So today I slayed my neighbor today. Okay, so I hope you guys are going to just tune in, see how I slay this head of hair. Okay, hair of natural, beautiful afro kinky hair. All right, I'm having way too much fun on this app today. Okay, I am dropping 2 videos today, guys. I hope you guys are going to tune in. Tune into this video. Okay, like I said, these are 10 stitch feed-in braids. This is not necessarily a tutorial, just something that you should just kind of watch and enjoy the music and watch me slay my neighbor hair. Okay, she said she needed to be slayed. A lot of people always ask me for pricing though on different styles. So like I stated before in previous videos, girl, I charge $40 basically an hour, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes like 45, but for the most part it's around the 40 to 50 type of mark. Okay, sometimes it's a lot for people, sometimes that's affordable for some people, but for a style like this, I think this is about like 140. all right, so and then the hair is included, so I think I'm pretty affordable, you know, if I should say so myself. Okay, puts finger behind ear. Okay, so yeah, y'all, so right here I'm just pre-parting, guys. I'm just going to pre-part so that way I make sure everything is equal and balanced on both sides. If you are doing even number of braids, so these are 10 braids. If you're doing even number of braids, make sure you part down the middle, and that way you can just do 5 on left side and 5 on the right side. Okay, if I was doing like 11, then I would not do a middle part. I would just do like start off like a little side part and then do like 5 and then 6, but that middle part is cool. Or another way you can do it, just do like 1 braid down the middle right there, like smack dab in the middle, and then that way that will balance out the even number, if that makes sense. All right, so yeah, like I said, even number, you part down the middle, and then an odd number, you will have a braid down the middle. So just always take that into consideration. So like I said, so right here I'm going to use the Style Factor Edge Control for her hair today. I feel like they just have a way better hold, and guys, it does not leave a greasy finish. You know how sometimes that Shine and Jam, it leaves like a greasy finish on the ends or on the roots. Yeah, girl, I don't like that. And then on top of that, it reduces the grip. Okay, so you have that Shine and Jam, girl, it makes it real tacky, and you're able to literally grip and have everything laid the way you want it to lay. Y'all know what I'm saying if y'all are braiders, or you ever had your hair braided and you actually pay attention to what the stylist is doing. Like, it allows it to grip. Yeah, but this is an old video, guys. This is like a 2-month-old video. So yeah, I'm just going to let you guys know what I'm using, what's going on. If you guys have any questions, then go ahead and comment below. Let y'all vibe to the music. Love y'all so much. Talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.
If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you, or some other lie to boost your ego up. So you come here running, put your head in all the wrong directions and please me, like when we were together,
reality.